Jokanyo mag duond buch siasa mar ODM kwethnindo mar Linda Mwananchi ne obago romo ma kawuono kama bende ne giyiero jokanyo bende biro mako lemo mopogore opogore e duond bonindo mar ODM. Oburu Oginga bende koro ne omesidhi mar medo mako lemo nindo mar ogai mar duond buch siasa mar ODM e kinde geko mag Gladys Wanga bende ne osir lwedo mondo mi omak nindo mar jakom duond buch siasa nindo mar ODM. Kata kamano Geoffrey Osotsi ma bende ne dwaro lemo nindo mar bedo jalop ogai nindo mar ODM ne orem chopo lek mare kinde geko mane koyudo jogeko masir lwedo.
Second, for Senator Godfrey Osotsi to be the deputy party leader of ODM. Haya, asanteni sana. Asanteni sana. Sasa Senator wa Vihiga hana proposer na second. As many of that opinion say aye. As many of that opinion say nay. Sasa kama huna proposer na second, inamaanisha wewe hawezi kupata hiyo kiti. Let us move to the next. Now, let me put the question now again. The Senator of Vihiga, Godfrey Osotsi, was brought here by the National Governing Council to become a deputy party leader. But we cannot find here a proposer and a seconder. We are going to drop him as a deputy party leader. As many of that opinion say aye. As many of that contrary opinion say nay. Senator Godfrey Osotsi has been dropped at the Special Delegates Convention as a deputy party leader of the Orange Democratic Party. Now let us go to the national chair. National chairperson. Nataka kupata proposer and seconder for Her Excellency Gladys Nyasuna Wanga to be the national chairperson.
I propose.
Can we have?
I propose.
Now let us go to the national chair. National chairperson. Nataka kupata proposer and seconder for Her Excellency Gladys Nyasuna Wanga to be the national chairperson.
I propose.
Can we have?
I propose.
Homa Bay people here. Lilian Gogo.
I,
Kaluma.
I, George Peter Opondo Kaluma, the county chair of Homa Bay, propose the Honorable Excellency Gladys Atieno Nyasuna Wanga as the national chair of the ODM party.
Asante sana. Tuende kwa seconder. Catherine hapa iko hapa. Catherine from Nairobi City County. Patia mama. Patia Catherine. Please give to Catherine. Give to Catherine. Haya, Catherine, can you second? Okay, Rosa endelea.
I, Rosa Akinyi Buyu, Member of Parliament of Kisumu West Constituency, propose
Second.
Honorable Gladys Atieno Nyasuna Wanga as the chairperson of ODM.